My way, I prefer to become a client of my competitors. What's the best way to check your competitors? Because the truth is, especially now, we need to know what happens on the market. We need to know probably your competitors, they have some bright ideas how to challenge the situation. And you need to know about that, and you need to know it fast. So my way, I prefer to become a client of my competitors. Unfortunately, it's really unfortunately, I don't have direct competitors who delivers the same service or even similar service. But anyway, we have some competitors, for example, some business schools or consulting companies who deals not with probable management system, but they deal with some part of this. And of course, for me, I'm interested to know everything about them, everything about their marketing, about their sales procedures, about how they deliver their service. The best thing, the worst thing, I need to know it. And this is why me and my partners, time to time, we buy their services, their courses, their training programs, their consulting programs. And we just, as clients, we go through this program, starting with the marketing interaction. We deal with their salespeople. Sometimes for them, we bring them some challenging times because, we really investigate how they react. For example, if I tell them, it's too expensive. I know that the similar service I could buy cheaper in that company. And we are really, it's interesting to understand how they handle it, what really works for them, what doesn't work. And the same thing when it comes to the services itself. So my advice for you, if you want to understand really what happens on the market, I suggest you to become a client of your competitors, and you will know everything. It's not against the law. It's not prohibited, so you can use it. And especially right now, you need to understand what happens, not in months, like in days, immediately. If they started to use something successful, you have to know it on the next day. Does it make sense for you?